Brother Martin High School, located in New Orleans, Louisiana, is a product of the merging of St. Aloysius College and Koryezu High School.
St. Aloysius was the third Brothers of the Sacred Heart school in the United States.
The institution celebrated a rich academic and athletic tradition for 100 years and boasts over 5,000 alumni. Koryezu opened in 1954 with an enrollment of about 700 students.
It quickly earned a reputation as a modern learning institution. Koryezu High School ministered to students for 15 years before it would eventually merge with St. Aloysius to form a brand new school.
This new school would be named Brother Martin High School, much to the chagrin of Brother Martin himself,
and was founded on the principle that in an extraordinary age, students must have teaching of extraordinary caliber.
Brother Martin students strive for academic excellence. In 2018, 89% of AP students scored a 3 or higher on their AP exam, qualifying them for college credit in that area.
Their class average ACT score was 25, while honor students averaged a 31.
Academic scholarships at Brother Martin High School are administered by the Academic Scholarship Committee under the direction of the Admissions Office. They are based on academic merit, and students do not apply for them. Deciding factors include elementary school grades, standardized test scores, record of conduct, and composite score earned on the placement test administered at Brother Martin. Work study grants are available for a limited number of needy students. Upon acceptance into this program, the students receive work assignments and earn tuition credits through the completion of these assignments.
Brother Martin is based not only in New Orleans, Louisiana, but more specifically the Gentilly neighborhood. Gentilly was affected greatly after Hurricane Katrina, and Brother Martin was one of the first institutions to return to the area. Several Crusader alumni have played prominent roles in the New Orleans area, including St. Aloysius alumnus, the late Tom Benson.
All Brother Martin students are encouraged from day one to get involved. Students have the opportunity to join organizations that focus on community service, faith life, academics, outdoor hobbies, competitive games, and club sports. There's something for everyone.
The Brother Martin Chorus program began under the direction of Mr. Mike Cottingham in the 1969 to 1970 school year.
The chorus program at Brother Martin took off and instantly made a mark on our school's fine art history.
This all-male choir has been recognized not only locally, but nationally as one of the premier programs in the South and remains the oldest all-male choir in Louisiana. The Brother Martin High School Crusader Band has constantly been a military-styled organization, which has entertained and enriched all types of audiences and generations of students throughout its history. Though the program has had several excellent directors, Arthur Hardy and Marty Hurley would elevate the program to national prominence. Hardy and Hurley were inducted into the Louisiana Music Educators Hall of Fame as the only high school music instructors to do so.
The Dionysians, or Drama Club, produce up to 3 major productions each year. In addition, they also organize and perform in an Evening of Arts fundraiser, Music for the Missions, to support the Brothers of the Sacred Heart missionary work around the world.
The St. Aloysius NJROTC was commissioned on October 27, 1967, on the flight deck of the USS Lexington.
Since then, countless cadets have been molded through this program. Students are able to participate in several subgroups, including drill team, color guard, rifle team, athletic team, academic team, and organing team. The St. Aloysius Brother Martin NJROTC throughout history has attained multiple honors, including state champs, President's Awards, Bravo Zulu, Naval Honor Unit, Unit Achievement, and Distinguished Unit with Academic Honors. We are live. That is the mantra on the Crusader Streaming and Programming Network, or CSPN. Here, a team of students film, produce, commentate, and broadcast Brother Martin events so that anyone in the world can watch the Satyrs.
Another avenue of student formation is the Crusader Athletics.
The student athlete is challenged to develop organizational skills and work ethic to fulfill his duties to both the classroom, himself, and his team.
The Crusaders won district titles in baseball, bowling, cross country, tennis, and wrestling.
This past year, Crusader Bowling and Wrestling took the state championship to give Crusader Athletics 44 state championships in only 50 years.
Club sports offer an opportunity for students to participate in athletic events not sanctioned by the LHSAA. Brother Martin fields teams in rugby, lacrosse, martial arts, and beach volleyball, just to name a few.
These are just a few of the 40-plus extracurriculars offered at Brother Martin. There are several opportunities on campus for a student to grow spiritually, whether that be through the campus ministry team, Eucharistic ministers, or simply by going to adoration in the chapel.
Service opportunities play a paramount role in the formation of a Brother Martin Crusader. Whether it is Key Club, raising money for the mission in Amatongas, participating in the March for Life, or assisting with the Miracle League, these young men enrich their spiritual development through these acts of service.
It's our school pride. Everyone loves being Crusaders. They love wearing the crimson and gold, and that's something that really pulls us apart from every other school.
I was at home here.
School, the second I step on the campus, it just felt like home.
I wanted to be like them, and when you walked around, you could see everyone was friendly, and they wanted you to be there, and they wanted to be there too. It wasn't like they were forced to be there, and it felt like a brotherhood there.